Hi, boys and girls. This week I am so excited because we are going to start writing realistic fiction. That means we're going to get to make up stories that could really happen. So no superheroes, no monsters, nothing like that. These are going to be characters that you get to make up that could go on their own adventures, and you get to create their adventures. This just explains a little bit more about what we're going to be doing this week. We're going to make up our own character, and we are going to start thinking about what kind of adventures they could go on. But before we can take our characters on adventures, we need to take a day and really think about our character who is going to be in our stories. So the first thing you're going to do is we have to make up a character. That's what we're going to do today. So here are your directions. You need to draw a character. Remember, they have to be real, so we're not drawing superheroes. Okay, and you have to give your character a name, and it has to be a real name. You can't tell me that your character's name is Spider-Man. And then I want you to describe your character. What are they like? Are they brave? Are they bossy? Are they a bully? Are they kind? Are they shy? I want you to come up with at least 3 ways to describe your character. Here's an example. This is Sophia. She is kind and caring, but she's a little bit bossy. So again, boys and girls, today you are going to create your character, draw them, give them a name, and describe them. I can't wait to see what you come up with. We'll start writing about their adventures tomorrow.